set up this quick scene real fast. I wanted to show you these. Thought they were pretty cool. Little button lamps. Into the six to a package. What they are is little LED lamps. Pretty small too. And also not pretty bright. The reason why I have this set up is I wanted to show you something. I stuck one up here in my canopy. So now my canopy has a light. This just sticks to that centerpiece we made in that video there. And it turned out pretty cool. I have to get some nighttime shots. Now that we're inside, let's take a closer look at these. Its construction is pretty simple. It's a clear plastic housing that holds battery, LED, and switch. Unfortunately, it seems that it's single use. After the battery dies, you just throw the whole thing away. I would just cut it open, replace the batteries, and tape it closed. It would be cheaper to buy some batteries than to buy another 6-pack of these lights. The switch is pretty small, which makes it perfect for using for your G.I. Joes. With this adhesive backing, they can be stuck to anything. I'm thinking of putting these in some of my vehicles. Now with the lights dim, you can see how it lights up the area very well. This is perfect for my canopy I did a video on. Let me know what you think. Think these have possibilities for 1/6 scale stuff? I think so. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.